going to demonstrate simple science experiment. For this experiment, we need plastic bottle, straw and a balloon. Take a plastic bottle and make a small hole on it. Take a straw and insert like this. Pour water inside the bottle. Cover the bottle's mouth with the help of an inflated balloon. Wow! What is happening here? The water is moving automatically. Here, water level is increasing in glass tumbler and the balloon size is decreasing. Why is it so? How the water is moving automatically? What is the reason behind that? The air inside the balloon makes the water to move. This is due to air pressure. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe for future updates. Thank you.